Welcome to this video on the history of Cyprus coinage. We'll explore the evolution of the Cypriot pound, from its introduction as British-style currency in 1879 to the transition to the euro in 2008, highlighting key moments of decimalisation and sovereignty. This chart illustrates the genealogy of the Cypriot currency. It shows how the currency evolved through three distinct periods: the predecimal system from 1879 to 1954, the mill system from 1955 to 1982, and the cent system from 1983 to 2007, before adopting the euro. In 1879, the British introduced the first coinage to Cyprus, replacing existing Turkish currency. This move sparked controversy, as the Ottoman Sultan held the sole rights to currency, leading to questions in the British Parliament about its legality. While the government used the, quote, "para" denomination only on postage stamps, local residents developed their own terms. The quarter piastre coin was known as the dekara, while the half piastre coin was called the ikosara. Between 1901 and 1947, the coinage underwent several changes. After introducing silver coins in 1901, the mint later released scalloped-shaped coins in 1934, eventually shifting to cupro-nickel for all coins by 1947. 1955 marked the first decimalisation of the pound into 1,000 mils. This system was based on a proposal dating back to 1881. Interestingly, citizens often referred to the 50 mil coin as a shilling, and the 1956 100 mil coin remains highly sought after by collectors. Following Cyprus's independence in 1960, the new republic began asserting its own monetary control. By 1963, the republic issued its own coins, which were struck by the Royal Mint in London, replacing the previous coinage that featured the British monarch. During this era, several commemorative coins were minted. These included a 500 mil coin for the FAO and UN in 1970, a £1 coin in 1976 for refugees, and a gold 50-pound coin in 1977 honoring Archbishop Makarios III. In 1983, the central bank implemented a second decimalisation, dividing the pound into 100 cents. A unique feature of this era was the half-cent coin, which was only struck in 1983 and was quickly abolished. The 20-cent coin is a prime example of Cypriot iconography. Struck in nickel brass with a reeded edge, it features the philosopher Zeno of Citium, founder of the Stoic school, with his name inscribed in Greek. Introduced in 1991, the 50-cent coin is often considered the crown jewel of the series. Its distinctive rouleau heptagon shape and design, depicting the abduction of Europa by Zeus, was inspired by a 14th century BC Marian coin. This diagnostic matrix summarizes the three eras of Cypriot coinage. It highlights the shift from the British-influenced pre-decimal era to the mill system, and finally the cent system, illustrating the evolution of denominations and rarity over time. The journey concluded on January 1, 2008, when Cyprus adopted the euro. With a fixed rate of 0.585274 pounds per euro, this transition ended 129 years of history for the Cypriot pound, closing a significant chapter in the island's numismatic journey.